Hi guys, we're with Dove VR, and we're gonna be mining in the new update. So yeah, say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
This might be boring for a lot of you guys, so I don't know. You don't have to watch. But if for some reason you do want,
Getting spare money.
if for some reason you do want to watch, then I'll have a video. I see Mimic. Get over here. This thing's gonna kill me. Nothing.
Where's my crowbar?
Die. Die. Die.
Where's my
Stay away,
crowbar?
foul beast. It's on your back. It's on your back. It's on your back. Oh my god, it's on your back. Get it from your back. Okay, if you die, don't respawn. Oh my god, there's two. Run, run, run. Okay, respawn. Respawn. Talk in the radio. Yes, research point.
I got a crowbar, okay?
Okay. Research point. Oh no, Armstrong. Yeah, I'm at the bottom of the hole.
I'm scared. Are you not?
Yes, just jump down. All right, let's go.
Is that Big Chungus?
Yeah.
Oh, Big Chungus, he's fatter than Queso.
No, he's not.
Okay, fine. Hey, does that give me some company coins?
I mean,
Give me company.
I need company
Give
coins.
me company.
I mean, I need company coins for research point.
I have 10 company coins.
And also, don't mind the green ore.
What does it do?
Teleports you. Ooh, that's a lot of money. Oh no, it's Armstrong. It's Armstrong.
What?
It's Armstrong. Right there. Come up here, come up here, come up here, come up here. And wait for him to try to chase you, and then we smack him. How does he up here? Okay, he just died.
Bro, that guy's like Queso, right?
Oh no. Grab the shield, grab the shield. I just found an RPG. Now we ain't dying tonight. Not with boom. Anything that tries to kill us is cooked.
Oh yeah, when we cook them, they do mute.
Follow me. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Let's go this way.
When the doom music kicks in when we fight.
I hear a spider. You know what? Let's go the other way. Yeah, let's just go to the other way.
Okay.
Just stay away from monsters and tell me if there's any monsters. Just don't mind
Where
it.
are you?
I'm trying to. I'm kind of heavy with the RPG. Because you know you can actually be heavy, and it's hard to walk.
So you could be heavy in this game like Queso?
Yeah, you can become Queso, like Queso Simulator.
Okay, imagine if you sit on top of somebody. Imagine if they die.
All right, I'm gonna mine the green ore.
Me too.
Mine it.
Do it.
Okay, grab onto it and mine it. Okay, let go of your shield. Or put on your back, put your shield on your back. Oh wait, I could just grab it. Grab it. And then mine it. What in the heck?
Sense, bro.
Oh wait, let go. Oh, it's cause I forgot to let go, so I was like stuck inside the map. Anyways, let's see what I collected.
I want to. Give me shiny rock.
Do not touch this RPG.
Back up!
Oh, you want me to explode you? You want me to explode?
No! Sorry.
Fine, then come to the mines. Come to the mines then, if you're actually sorry and you don't want to be. I will explode you. Kaboom! Serious. 2 research points.
Did you know you can get right?
Yeah.
Please come down to the hole.
I am. Ooh, I'm close to 250 company coins.
One more hit. Yeah. Oh wait, did you do that?
I think so, and I got nothing.
Oh, that's 45 company coins. That's actually pretty good, right?
I'm at 220.
Well, then you're a cheater in this game.
Open that. Grab it, and then click the action button. Shield. Alright, you can have that.
That was supposed to be mine, but whatever.
Okay, where do we go anyway?
I've got no idea, but
You know what? Let's just go this way.
since it's 2025, someone knows.
I found a shotgun for you. Drop your shield.
But I don't need it.
No, drop your shield and get the shotgun. And don't shoot it. Unless there's like a
Shooting
monster. Don't mind mining that. Do not mine that. Do not mine anything.
I'm mining the white one.
No, don't mine anything. Actually, I'm gonna grab these and go back to spawn. So. Where are you? Where are you? I don't know.
What the heck?
I'll decide later. Anyways, where do we go? Oh, then gummy worms, like the Black Forest ones. Alright, I'm gonna mine this.
Oh my gosh! No way! How did I just do?
Grab that crate and open it. Where are you? Alright, open that, Why'd you just shoot your shot? Oh, you have there's another shotgun right here.
Wait, I could have two.
Oh, okay, but don't let go of your crowbar. You need your crowbar.
Why do I need them?
Because you only have 2 shots of shotgun and infinite shots of crowbar. Alright, I guess you won't take my advice.
Not fine.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Don't waste your shots. Ooh, research point. Possible research point.
Do you think I could even move in this game?
Nut shredder!
Ready?
I can finally shred nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Look, watch it go.
You after this want to play some Gorilla Brawlers?
Sure. Or, oh yeah, I'm recording by the way. If you didn't know.
I know.
Well, actually, I want to play Gorilla Tag instead of Gorilla Brawlers.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Then stop recording if you want to play that.
Not right now. Alright, let's mine the green thing.
I just got.
Mine the green thing, mine the green thing. Mine it for me. Just grab onto it and mine it. Grab onto it and mine it. Actually, not yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Stupid.
Don't mine it yet.
Ah! Tongue it.
Oh man. Oh, frick.
Oh, I just died.
I mean, at least Chungus died too. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's mining episode. So yeah.